Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make bagels for breakfast full guide. Begin by activating yeast in warm water with honey, then mix high-gluten flour and salt into a smooth dough. Knead for about 10 minutes, let it rise until doubled, shape into rings, proof briefly, then boil with baking soda before baking until golden. Serve warm with cream cheese or your favorite toppings, and enjoy a cozy homemade breakfast experience. Warm, casual tip time. Measure ingredients accurately and use slightly warm water to activate the yeast for predictable results. Kneading develops gluten that creates the classic bagel chew, so resist under-kneading. A thorough first rise gives flavor and easier shaping, and covering the dough prevents a dry skin. Keep your kitchen comfy and patient, and you'll notice the difference in texture and taste after the bake every single time. If you're finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money called The Simple Path to Wealth made me rethink morning priorities and saving habits, and it pairs oddly well with baking calm routines. Check the description for the link and other deals if you're curious, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Boiling is the signature step that creates the chewy exterior, so simmer gently and don't overcrowd the pot. A splash of baking soda in the water raises pH for that deep brown crust when baked. After boiling, add toppings like sesame or poppy seeds so they adhere during baking, then transfer to a hot oven for a final crisp. Enjoy the smell and plan for seconds. They reheat beautifully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.